Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. One trend of information technology, I think, in 2022 is this is cloud computing. In cloud computing, we know storage, mobile applications, database, hybrid cloud, public cloud, private cloud, and server. But I just explained about private cloud and public cloud. Next, what is cloud computing? Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing service, including servers, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence, over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resource, and economies of scale. You typically pay only for cloud service you use, helping you lower your operating costs, run your infrastructure more efficiently, and scale as your business needs change. Top benefits, top benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a big shift from the traditional way business think about IT resource. Here are 7 common reasons organizations are turning to cloud computing service. First, cost. Cloud computing eliminates the capital expense of buying hardware and software and setting up and running on-site data centers. The racks of server, the clock electricity for power and cooling, and the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. It adds up fast. Second, global scale. The benefits of cloud computing service include the ability to scale elastically in cloud speak. That means delivering the right amount of IT resource. For example, more or less computing power, storage, bandwidth, right when they're needed, and from the right geographic location. Third, performance. The biggest cloud computing service run on a worldwide network of secure data centers, which are regularly upgraded to the latest generation of fast and efficient computing hardware. This offers several benefits over a single corporate data center, including reduced network latency for applications and greater economies of scale. Speed. Fourth, speed. Most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on demand. So, even vast amounts of computing resource can be provisioned in minutes, typically with just a few mouse clicks, giving businesses a lot of flexibility and taking the pressure off capacity planning. Productivity. On-site data centers typically require a lot of racking and stacking, hardware setup, software patching, and other time-consuming IT management course. Cloud computing removes the need for many of these tasks, so IT teams can spend time on achieving more important business goals. Reliability. Cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery, and business continuity easier and less expensive because data can be mirrored at multiple redundant sites on the cloud provider's network. Next, types of cloud computing. Not all clouds are the same, and not one type of cloud computing is right for everyone. Several different models, types, and service has evolved to help offer the right solution for your needs. First, you need to determine the type of cloud deployment or cloud computing architecture that your cloud service will be implemented on. There are 3 different ways to deploy cloud service. One, a public cloud, private cloud, or a hybrid cloud. Uh, Public cloud. Public clouds are owned and operated by a third party. Cloud service providers, which deliver their computing resource, like servers and storage over the internet. Microsoft Azure is an example of a public cloud. With a public cloud, all hardware, software, and other supporting infrastructure is owned and managed by the cloud provider. You access the service and manage your account using a web server. Using a web browser. Private cloud. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resource used exclusively by a single business or organization. A private cloud can be physically located on the company's on-site data center. Some companies also pay third-party service providers to host their in private cloud. A private cloud is one in which the service and infrastructure are maintained on a private network. Uh, uh, for hybrid cloud uh, is a private cloud and public cloud to be one. Okay, thank you.